In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so you can keep all job-related details organized in one place and monitor progress without juggling multiple lists. Start by opening the Projects section from the left panel, which acts as your central hub for both active and completed jobs. Then choose New Project or Start Project to open the setup screen. Give the project a clear descriptive name that is easy to search, link it to the correct customer so invoices and estimates roll up properly, and add start and end dates to outline the timeline, even if the finish date is only an estimate. Select a project status that reflects whether work is pending or active, and include short notes for goals or reminders without storing sensitive data. After saving, the project gradually fills with transactions like estimates and invoices, giving you clearer visibility into costs, income, and overall performance. Subscribe for simple tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.